This video is for Alex and company. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made this short video today explaining how you can get more customers to your business today by applying 3 quick things. Now, by the end of this video, if you like what you see and hear, shoot me a message and we can chat. Now I'll get right into it. I'll keep the video short and sweet for you. I'll be discussing 3 things, which are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website right now. And when I say content, I mean anything that's on this home page, from the words, pictures, videos, anything. Now, generally speaking, when I work with customers, I like to have at least 1,500 or more words on this home page by itself. 1,500 or more keyword-rich home page words. Basically, you want to have at least 1,500. Now, I'm not sure if you made this website yourself or you had it made. You can definitely move some things around and make it a lot more engaging and interacting for the customers, and it has a lot of space for you to add a lot of information, and that'll really help iron out the website and help it start ranking up in the Google. And also, you want to make sure if you're going to put something that it's actually clickable, not just a picture. That's just a word of advice. And from what I see here, a lot of these things just need a little bit of touch up, and the website can look really amazing and be competing with the top websites out there just by some cosmetic touches. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. Now, I went ahead and did a little quick search right here for companies in New York City just to show you what customers see when they pull up a Google search. So the first thing you see on top right here, this is called the Google Guaranteed section. This is basically a paid service with Google in where they verify a company through a verification process. After all that, a business is allowed to advertise right here. It's a great place to advertise because that's the first thing customers see, and it's gives really good leads. Secondly, we move on to this section right here, which is the traditional Google ads. Now, this is a hit or miss depending on who you use to place your ads and how they're written out, the links, the offers, all that. So this is definitely something that can pay off if done correctly. If not, it could be a money pit. Thirdly, we move on to this section right here, which is the Google Map Pack section. In my opinion, this is a section that you should definitely be on, and just in general, every business, especially in these top 3 spots, and we specialize in getting businesses to the top 3 spots. I'll also explain to you right here what a citation is. So a citation is basically anywhere on the web which allows you to put in your business information. That'll be your business name, phone number, and address. Now, a lot of these places will be online directories like Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, LinkedIn, those kind of pages. After that, we move on to this section right here, which is referred to as the organic section. Over here, you'll see the websites which have organically outranked and beat out the competitors to make it to the first page of Google searches. The first page is where everybody wants to be at. That's also something we specialize in to keep pushing the businesses on higher and higher and to the first page. Thirdly and lastly, I want to talk about backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which provides a link going to your website. So to help me explain this better, I use this tool right here. It's called Ahrefs. It's a paid service. I pay for it every month, but it gives me really good information on how to assess the performance of a website. Now, as you can see right here, I put in your business information. You've got 7 referring domains to you. That means there's 7 websites out there giving you a link to your website, which is giving you 5,700 backlinks, providing you with 2 keywords. But from what it's showing right here, you're getting 0 traffic per month to your website. So to show you a top competitor in New York City on how their numbers look like, right here. As you can see, it's a really big difference. Now, let's just go by the numbers. They've got 716 referring domains, giving them 3,100 backlinks, giving them almost 27,000 keywords, which gives them, at the end of the day, 26,000 people visiting their website per month. Now, that's the type of numbers that you want to be heading towards. This is your information right here. So we can boost these numbers by the thousands. That's what we specialize in. And as you can see, you're probably thinking you have more backlinks than the other guys, but not every backlink is created equally. to put a random backlink, it's not really going to do anything for you. To have those targeted backlinks are the ones that are really going to push your website out there and get a lot of traffic to your website. So I told you I'll keep it short and sweet. That's all I had for you today. I really hope you found this video to be educational. And if you want to know more on how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, give me a call. I'd love to talk. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. And I just ask if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for your time and watching. You have a great day.